Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life. Well, in today's video, we are hooking up a beautiful and amazing style crochet adorable baby frocks designs ideas. Hope you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video till end. We are excited to share with you some beautiful and adorable and easy to make crochet baby frocks designs ideas that are perfect for little ones. Hope you like this video in different collection, from sweet and simple to intricate and elegance. We will got a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert crocheter, these frocks are perfect for baby shower, gift, or just because. Hope you like this different collection, different pattern ideas. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. We will show you how to crochet beautiful and lovely look texture using yarn and technique, plus got tips on how to customize the size, color and embellishment to fit your little one's style. Add embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers and many other accessories you use and decor your baby frocks easily. And as a bonus, we will give you a sneak peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to crochet a beautiful and lovely look crochet baby frocks designs ideas. Feel free to experiment with different yarn color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby frock style. Add embellishments like button, beads, pearls, applique work and many different accessories. You can also add a personal touch with a special message or the baby's name. Thanks for joining us today. If you want more information, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment, and please be share your creativity with us on different social media account using hashtags. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work. If you want more information, so please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, tutorial and DIY tutorial full video, detailed video. And if you want to see full DIY tutorial, so please visit my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. See you in the next video. Hope you like this video in different collection. If you want more information, so visit my channel, like my videos. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Bye bye.